Hey guys, down here in Houston, we had a wedding to go to and I saw this sign, cool pool. And then I recognized that it wasn't so cool, it's not working. And we were just talking about it and the maintenance man shows up. And so I offered to give him a hand, see if we could get it fixed. We checked the pump, it's all working. And then I believe the problem is here. This is the reservoir that holds the water for the pool, and you can see it's just about empty. So it's not getting the water it needs to run. So it looks like the problem's here in the autofill. It's not filling back up. So we're going to check that out real quick, and hopefully we can get it going. Okay, so we did find the autofill. It's got a leveler autofill system. So we checked it out. Turns out it wasn't plugged in. Got it plugged in and we're getting a sensor, maybe an error. So oh, there we go. Yeah, got it plugged in and now it's filling. So I think we're in business. A couple hours should be good to go.